Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unblock Discord in the UAE. As you may have noticed, Discord doesn't fully work in the UAE. Text messaging sometimes works, but voice and video features are blocked. This video will show you how to bypass censorship and access all of Discord's features, whether you're in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, or anywhere else in the UAE. Before I show you how to unblock Discord in the UAE, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button if you enjoy this content. This would mean a lot to me and help me create even more useful content. So, how can you unblock Discord in the UAE? The short answer comes down to one word: ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is an app that you can install on your computer, smartphone, or tablet, and that allows you to change your IP address. Once connected, your real IP address will be hidden and replaced by the IP address of the VPN server. Imagine you would like to call a friend on Discord. What you need to do is use ExpressVPN to make it look like you're somewhere else. First, make sure you fully close Discord. Don't just minimize it, exit the application completely, whether you're on a computer, phone, or tablet. Then open ExpressVPN. You can connect to a VPN server from this list. There are a lot of countries: the US, Canada, the UK, Germany, France, Australia, India, the Philippines, just to name a few. These are all countries from which you can make it look like you're in. Simply select a location. ExpressVPN will then establish a connection to the fastest server available in this specific location. Let's choose a location, the UK for example. I click on the UK. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. Done. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the UK. My IP address has been replaced by the IP address of the VPN server located in the UK. If I visit this page, you can see that I now have a British IP address, in Bisham to be more precise. Now, launch the Discord app, open the web version, and you should be able to use the VoIP features, just as if you were in the UK. ExpressVPN not only helps you bypass censorship, but it also fully encrypts your traffic, meaning your internet service provider can no longer track what you do, what websites you visit, and so on. Once you don't need to use a VPN anymore, you may deactivate it by pressing this button. I showed you how to do it from a computer, but it's the same principle if you're on a smartphone or tablet. The iOS and Android apps are quite similar to this one. As you saw, to unblock Discord in the UAE, you need ExpressVPN. To give it a try, visit vpn-club.com/express or click on the link under this video. ExpressVPN is one of the best VPNs to unblock restricted apps and websites. They have thousands of servers in 105 countries. It's a safe, reliable, and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and so on. You can use it on up to 10 devices simultaneously. Great speeds, no bandwidth limit, a strict no-log policy, very effective to bypass censorship and geo-blocks. ExpressVPN is not free, it's a paid VPN, but it's very affordable. As you can see, plans start at $3.49 per month, cheaper than a coffee at Starbucks. It's the equivalent of 11 cents per day, a ridiculously low price, considering all the benefits a VPN like ExpressVPN offers. To summarize, the idea is to use ExpressVPN to make it look like you are in another location by replacing your IP address with the IP address of the VPN server. Doing this not only allows you to bypass censorship, but also browse anonymously and more. All you need to do is to select a location in the list. That's it. It is that simple. Please note that ExpressVPN offers a 30-day trial in the form of a money-back guarantee, which means that you can sign up, try the service for several weeks without any limit, and then request a refund if you wish. To get a refund is to contact their customer service and ask them to refund you. That's it. The only condition: make this request within 30 days after sign-up. Otherwise, it will be too late. That said, I highly recommend that you keep your subscription, as ExpressVPN comes with many other benefits: to access geo-restricted websites, bypass firewalls, increase the security of your connection, avoid bandwidth throttling, access more content, save money, and more. Don't even think about free VPNs. Free VPNs are not very effective at unblocking restricted apps and websites. They're also unsecured and very slow. The worst part is that some of them can easily be detected by your ISP. Best to forget about them. This is why I recommend using ExpressVPN, which is by far the easiest and most effective way to unblock Discord in the UAE. Remember, with this link, you will take advantage of a 73% discount and 4 months free, as well as a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free for you. Another great VPN to unblock Discord in the UAE is NordVPN. NordVPN is another high-quality VPN with over 8,000 servers in 126 countries. Just like ExpressVPN, NordVPN is available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and so on. You can use it on up to 10 devices simultaneously. Very effective to bypass censorship as well. So, if ExpressVPN is a bit too expensive for you, I recommend that you get NordVPN instead, as it is a bit more affordable. To try it, visit vpn-club.com/nord or click on the link under this video. NordVPN's price is also ridiculously low, only $3.09 per month, that's just 10 cents a day. Like ExpressVPN, NordVPN offers a 30-day trial in the form of a money-back guarantee, which means that you can sign up, try the service for several weeks without any limit, and then request a refund if you wish. ExpressVPN and NordVPN both work great to unblock Discord in the UAE, but also to unblock other restricted apps and websites, bypass firewalls, and more. Alright, that's all for today. Now you know how to unblock Discord in the UAE. As you saw, it's very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you liked this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button. Thanks, and see you next time.